Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can draw on CapCut PC. Well, you can't actually, so I'm just going to show you like a workaround. So just search Paint on your Windows, and you're going to go to Layers, and you're going to select Hide Background because you'll need the background to be transparent. I'm just going to draw a really cute gingerbread here, gingerbread man. Well, I'm gonna attempt to real quick. I'm like trying to do this as fast as I can. Oh my god, this is horrible. Like, why is it not giving? Why is this not giving gingerbread? Okay. Just gonna paint over this. I'm just trying to make like a decent looking image just cause. Then I'll use this white one. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Okay, cute. Okay, it's giving gingerbread. I don't know. Let's give it eyes. Like, what color eyes do gingerbread have? I'm going to do like a red mouth. Oh, looks a little bit creepy. Let's add some pupils here. Looks a little bit crazy. And some buttons for the finishing touch. Okay, we'll go with that. Sorry, it looks weird. Let's put a nose to make it a little bit cute. I don't know if that fixes it. Maybe like teeth? No. Okay. File, save as, and you're going to select the PNG. I'm going to name it gingerbread. Save, and then go to CapCut. I'm just going to open it from my files here. File Explorer. And then put the gingerbread man there, and that's pretty much it. I know it's not really like painting on CapCut PC, but it's the only workaround I have for this, so you can put it on top of any videos you want like this. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.